Hey all, welcome back to the Indian Century. Toranamalai is a hill located near the suburb of Kadayam in Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. It is located on the way from the suburb of Tenkashi to Kadayam. It is located at an altitude of about 432 meters above sea level. Toranamalai is the place where sage Agastya and his disciple Therayar lived and performed the first skull surgery. It is also a place rich in medicinal herbs. Therayar also attained Jiva Samadhi here. It was believed that Lord Rama visited here and worshipped Agastya. People believe that Siddhas come and worship this hill in formless form. Devotees also pray for removal of obstacles in marriage efforts, remedy from illness, child boon, trade development, and family prosperity. The temple is situated just in midst of a rocky plain fully covered by iron grills. The way from the downhill to hilltop is full of greenery. Lord Vinayaka temple at the foothill marks the path to Hilltop Murugan temple. There was also another Murugan temple at the downhill. There was an entrance arch for this temple at the downhill. There are 926 steps to reach the hill temple. Also, there are herbal plants all along the way to the hill temple. Mahakavi Bharatiyar had praised this Murugan as Kugaikul Varum Kuganai. There are 64 springs in Tornamalai. The 2 springs are located at the downhill. It is believed that if devotees take bath in these springs, they will be cured of their skin diseases. Water will be available in these springs during peak summer too. Uchikala Puja is conducted every day in the hill temple. Thaipusham, Vaishakhi Vishakam and last Friday of Tamil month are celebrated in the temple with much fanfare. The downward journey from the temple is more beautiful than the upward journey. The downward journey is less physically straining, so we'll be able to relax and enjoy the nature. Thanks for watching. To know more about the temples in Tamil Nadu, subscribe our channel.